Hey everybody, I want to answer some questions that you guys have been personally messaging me on the social media platforms. I just wanted to reach out and tell you, number one, where we're located. We are in central Ohio, about 20 minutes south of Columbus, right off the interstate. You can't miss us. We specifically do diesel pickup trucks and medium duty trucks with diesel engines that are in the pickup trucks in that platform. We're located 21224 US 23 Circleville. So if you're in the area, we always want to have you give us a call so we can help you service your truck. Let you guys know, we have trained professionals that are specialists here. To explain a little bit about myself, I've been doing this for 5 years on pickup trucks specifically, and that's all makes and models from Chevy, Ford, Dodge. So we've been doing that for 5 years now. We're in a great location. Thank the Lord on that. To get where I've gotten, I started really not knowing anything. Out of high school, I was fresh meat pretty much. Never touched anything in my life mechanically. My father taught me how to do an oil change, which I'm thankful for, and I knew what spark plugs were, but didn't know really anything about where they were. My dad guided me to kind of a seminar that the local dealership put on. It was Ohio Cat is what it is, and through it is, it's a program that Caterpillar puts on for people graduating high school to kind of navigate their career and get involved in, obviously getting into a skilled trade. So I was accepted with another gentleman. There was 2 out of 40 or 50 applicants, so I was grateful for that year that I got in. And Caterpillar sent me to their college where I got an education for 2 years, and it was an internship where I worked 2 years at the dealer and 2 years at college, and that was 2 years of my life together, and it was on and off season with the semesters. After that, I got hired on at the dealership full time, and I worked there pretty much at 2016 to 2021, roughly right when COVID ended. I worked all my way up to guy outside on the wash rack, to doing lubes, all the way up to a master technician, and really became a great troubleshooter. Really learned the systems well with continued education. I've applied that to pretty much the diesel application now of pickup trucks. I decided to leave Caterpillar, or Ohio Cat at the time when COVID came along. There was a lot of politics that I just could not handle. I'm not saying they're a bad company, but golly, I just couldn't handle everything that was going on in there, all the BS and stuff. So I decided to spread my wings and fly, and I ventured out on my own, working out of a 2-bay garage at my house that literally was a 2-car garage. I worked there for a year. Finally, my neighbors caught on, and they said, wow, there's like more than one truck in this dude's driveway. And they called the local municipal court or whatever, that they complained on me. So I had to go to court, and they said either shut it down or figure it out. And I told them to kick rocks, and I found a shop up the road for rent. We were there for 2 years, and that was a good location. Really got us going, and kind of outgrew that. We were busting at the seams. We really upset a lot of the other tenants that were there. We had trucks kind of overflowing for how small it was. So the place where we're at currently, which we hope you guys come and visit us, is our new location, which is pretty well fit. It's pretty big. We've been here for going on 2 years now, and we're hopefully signing up for another 2 or 4 years for where we're staying. So that's kind of my story. I'm sure I'm missing some stuff, but I learn something new every day. But boy, we try to strive for using the best product, and I'm always an advocate for what the dealer did teach me, which I'm thankful for. They ingrained quality when you're working on yellow iron and stuff. So that's what we're doing for your diesel pickups. So keep us in mind, give us a shout if you need something. We're here to help you.